Hey, what's going on, y'all? This the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, y'all? Listen, I'm back with another video, man. I'm super excited to come to y'all today. All right, I'm live. I'm officially live. If you watched the video earlier today, right, I recorded it yesterday, but I just had a lot going on, so I couldn't upload it. It was too late, right? So I premiered it to open today, right? But you should be watching this video today, February 14th. Okay, I'm live, all right? And I showed y'all basically the video you just seen earlier. If you didn't, go back and watch it, right? I was able to fund my account, man. My funds ended up lost somehow, but Sway got on it for me immediately, right? Located basically $2,000, put it in the account, all right? And I was able to get going, all right? So I'm officially live, y'all. No more demoing. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm going to grow this $2,000 account. So let's get right into it, y'all. I was able to win my first trade, and I want to take y'all through it because it was a nail biter, right? And that, literally, it's my fault, right? I kind of jumped the gun, but my bias was still correct. So let me take y'all through it real quick, man, and show y'all exactly what transpired. All right, so if you can look, all right, let me go ahead and just start playing, right? So let me paint the scenario, right? You know, market opens, all right, at 8:30, all right? And I'm talking about the New York Stock Exchange, all right? Because this is a NAS trade, NAS 100, right? An indice, all right? Very volatile, okay? I've made some serious money on NAS in my previous years, and I've lost some serious money on my previous years, right? But I said I'm coming back equipped and ready and more disciplined this time around, okay? And so I'll show you my sticky notes in a minute just on my trading rules, but I'm just going to get right into the trade and then talk about, you know, what I could have did differently. So we're going to go ahead and play it. All right, let me scoot this over some so y'all can see it. All right, and boom. All right, so you see that, okay? When I seen this right here, right, I immediately said, okay, got a nice liquidity grab. I didn't jump in yet, right? We got a nice liquidity grab. Let's just see how it play out. Boom, got the drop, okay? When I got that drop, I entered in, right? And I immediately went into profit. Like I was up like $30 so quick, all right? I had a 30-cent lot. And shout out to Sway, man. Just most brokers, you know, I wouldn't be able to, I mean, I know I have a $2,000 account, but like, it's crazy the spreads they have on indices and things of that nature. And so I was able to put a 30-cent lot on it, man. Well, 30-cent trade, and like I say, this little move right here had me up $30 immediately. All right, so let's keep going. All right, bounce down, shot up. Okay, so I'm like, all right, let's see how this go. All right, I'm on the phone with my wife. She dropping the kids off, so she was getting ready to enter the trade as well. And the trade just kept playing out. Let's see. So my wife got in about right there when it dropped back down. Okay. Literally, I'm like, okay, I know I'm gonna show y'all my notes in a minute so you can see the type of trades that I want to take today. Okay, let's keep going. So I'm like, oh Lord, we shooting on up. My goal initially, I was like, you know what? If it passed that wick, I'm gonna get out. All right, but I'm looking over here, and I said, you know what? It might fill this gap because I knew that NAS had gaps to fill. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you real quick. This on my sticky notes for today. One second. Look, so these are my notes when I went in and I did my analysis. I said this is 214. NAS has a big gap that needs to be filled, right? And then also look for a demand setup on NAS, okay? And then also was looking at EuroCAD. So I'm looking at 3 pairs every single day. I'm looking at NAS as far as my indice, and I'm looking at EuroCAD and EuroUSDs. Those are my pairs, right? EuroUSD was ugly. You know, it had no clear-cut moves. Like the chart wasn't clear, right? It was real choppy and basically just ranging, right? Consolidating. So I said I'm gonna leave that alone. But EuroCAD had a nice move going, and of course NAS. And so, boom, I knew that NAS had a gap to fill, right? So I looked to the left. I said, okay, about right up in here is where that gap gonna be filled at. So you see, I got my risk to reward set up, and it's really perfect for it. And so even if it filled that part, if it go a little bit past it, I'm cool. Let's watch it play out. Drop back down, just playing with me. Hey, shut up. So I'm like, okay, where we at in the gap? We right up in there, so we still got a little bit more of that gap to fill. And I should have been catching that on the buy, but I didn't. All right, I wanted to sell. Boom. Now, when you see that, most folks is like, all right, I'm out. But I've learned over time, if I don't over leverage, I can last just a little bit longer. Now, had we gone past this wick, yeah, she's gone. All right, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a little wiggle room and a little room to breathe before I get out. All right, let's play. Literally tipped it. All right, and now I have a mental stop loss set. So let me show you something else. All right, you gotta have trading rules. All right, so today I checked for news. All right, I set my high time frame zones and key levels. I verified the overall trend on the daily and the 4 hour, which is up. Right, but I'm also have a scalping trend with the 1 hour and the 15. Okay, which will say my confluences is a minimum of 2. 3 equals high probability. My entries are going to be off supply and demand after a previous wick or body. After the previous wick or body. After the body equals high probability. I'm looking for liquidity grabs and I'm looking for gaps. All right. I have a mental stop loss and I don't over leverage. Win the week. Okay. So, to me, still, I don't ever want to get into this type of drawdown. The drawdown got. It nearly got to 250, right? And so 250 was gonna be my limit. I'm like, okay, I'm done. But to me, I over leveraged in that sense, right? Just because of my if my lot size was in that 0.30, then I'd have been okay. But I said I'm gonna give it some wiggle room, but I still had belief that it was coming down just based on what I was seeing. All right, and so it tipped that bad boy, and then watch this. Coming on down, right? And it's filling this gap right here. Coming on down. The bears was coming in aggressive. Now my wife, she was like, babe, we should get a re-entry. But in the past years, y'all, we used to re-entry a lot. And you just can't predict the market, right? And because the overall trend is up, I didn't want to take no chance. So I said, we're going to live with this one. Either we're going to minimize this loss, all right, or we going to take a W. But we not finna do no re-entry. We could have after this move right here. After you see the green candle that came in. I don't want to move my what's the name, but after that green candle that came in, all right, and then you got the bearish engulfing that came and just swallowed that green candle up. That was an opportunity for a re-entry. Abso-freaking-lutely. But we didn't do it this time, right? This is my first day back trading live in a while, and so I just really want to be smart about it, man. I'm gonna compound this account. And so I want to be smart about it, man. We not being extra. We're not trying to win it all in one day. And the goal is, right? The goal is to what? Win the week. Okay? And so I just want to be profitable at the end of Friday to say, you know what? I'm good. So look, we kept going. Boom! Back in profit. Okay? Back in profit. Profits! Do you see it? All right. So when it wicked that right there, I think I took profit before it wicked that right there because my daily goal was hit. Okay, my daily goal was hit, and as you can see, it started to go back up, and then boom, dropped again. My wife got out right in there because she actually took partial profits, and then it had that big shoot up, and it was good. Okay, and you watch how this play out. I had the entry that I wanted to play with. Later on, which was I said I was looking for a demand setup, it actually created itself. So if you watch, if you look to the far left, I always want to look left. Okay, we got demand right here, we got demand right here, we got a demand right there. All right, boom. And we should be at the present time right now. Let me see. Take it out replay mode. Yeah, so we're actually live right now. So that was been a nice. Okay, I can delete this now. 1 second. All right, so we got a good demand push right there. I would have set a zone right here, and would have caught that for a quick 1-to-1. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. But I caught what I wanted to catch, right? I felt like the market, like you all know that Nas reached an all-time high. It's just been reaching new highs literally every single week. And so a drop is bound to happen, which happened yesterday. Right? Like, ugly. Do you see this bad boy? Ugly. That's the all-time high right here. Okay? And so I knew the drop was coming, but I ain't had the funds on my account yet, man, because I would have ate all this. I'm telling you. And so now you gotta go use your technical analysis, all right? Because now you gotta be able to know how to play, all right? But this here was just an easy catch, like creating an all-time high once again, and then the drop just came. Like, this is so much money, y'all. Look at the pips, look at the gaps, all right? And so I knew these gaps had to be filled. That's the beautiful thing about it. But let's look at it. So, all right, so I stopped. My account was at $19.98 yesterday, and if you look now, we at $20.99. So I made $103.50. All right, $103.50 today. That ain't enough money. Yeah, it is, because look at my goal. So if you look at my compound calculator, let me take myself out real quick so you all can see me. All right. As you can see, my compound calculator started out at $2,000. Roughly, I was at $19.98, right? But I'm looking for 5% account growth. And right now, day one, my trade was to make $100. I made $103, so I'm tracking. So tomorrow, the goal is to make $105. All right, and so we're just gonna keep going. I hit my goal, right? The thing about it, some people want more, and you want to be greedy, and that's how you get yourself in trouble. I hit my goal, all right, so I was done trading. Okay, so let that be a lesson to everyone that's trading, man. If you got a goal set, you got a number in mind, once you hit it, man, get out. Why keep trading? Why put yourself at risk? Okay. And then, like I said, I seen this nice little demand. I could have caught Nas riding back up, but I didn't want to do it. Right? I said, I didn't hit my goal for the day. And you can never predict these markets. I'm good. Right? I'm good. I'm going to stick to my rules, right? And I'm going to win the week. We're not just trying to win days. We're trying to win weeks, because you're going to take L's, right? But you're going to win weeks, all right? So, look, y'all, I'm excited, man. I'm back at it. I'm back at it. I'm back live, all right? And just to show you, yeah, this is a live account, all right? Live account. No more demo. And look, you got an option. Demo, live. Demo, live. We are live, man. So, y'all about to watch me on this journey, man, as I grow this $2,000 account. And we just about to take this thing to the next level. Y'all gonna be able to see me fire my boss through these markets. And the reason why I don't have to rush, and the reason why I can be cool with a $100 trade is because why? I have a job, right? And I have other businesses, right? I am a subcontractor, right? I got a roof that we're about to be able to complete next week. All right, the deposit just came in. All right, I have affiliate businesses, right? I'm in the health and wellness industry. I got health and wellness products. Follow my page, right? Follow my YouTube page. I'm selling cable. I have multiple streams of income, so I don't have to dive all the way in and risk it for the biscuit. No, we gonna compound this thing little by little, me and my wife, until I get it to a point to where I'm making, the $1,000 to $2,000 a trade, and it's over after that. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to get to the 10K months, and from the 10K months to 10K days. But you got to crawl before you walk. So follow me on this journey, man. Everybody's been rocking with me. Stay tuned, because I've got a lot coming. And the folks who want to plug in with me, that's coming. But for right now, just wait. Let me do what I need to do, right? And let me prove myself right, and prove the training right that I've taken, these courses that I've taken. And yeah, stay tuned. Love y'all, man. Listen, if you're trying to get with Sway Markets, there's going to be a link below. This is the broker for 2024 and beyond. It's only getting better. If you don't believe me, watch my last video. That's the type of person you want on your team. For real. See y'all on the next video. It's your boy.